Due to dramatic climate changes and other human activities, more plant and animal species have become extinct than those that are still alive today. This is especially unfortunate for the scientific community, which could have studied these creatures more thoroughly. However, with advances in genetics and cloning, bringing these animals back from extinction is becoming more feasible than ever. Let's take a look at 20 animals scientists are working to resurrect. 10. The gastric brooding frog native to eastern Australia. The gastric brooding frog was an aquatic species with a unique reproductive method. It gave birth through its mouth. Unfortunately, both species of this genus went extinct in the 1980s due to a fungal infection. In 2013, scientists launched the Lazarus Project, aimed at bringing this frog back to life through cloning. They hope to eventually produce an embryo that can survive to the tadpole stage. 8. The Irish elk, also known as the giant deer. The Irish elk did not survive the Ice Age. Although it went extinct around 12,000 years ago, researchers have found fossils as recent as 7,000 to 8,000 years old in Siberia. This majestic creature stood 7 feet tall at the shoulder, with antlers extending up to 12 feet across. The Irish elk roamed the northern regions, and its remains have been well preserved in melting permafrost. 7. The moa. The moa was a giant, flightless bird, similar to an ostrich. The moa family included about 10 species, some as small as turkeys, and others reaching up to 10 feet in height, making it the largest bird ever to inhabit Earth. Sadly, moa species went extinct just 600 years ago due to aggressive hunting. However, remnants of their feathers and eggs still exist, and scientists have already extracted DNA from MOA eggshells. 6. The Baiji river dolphin. The Baiji river dolphin, beloved by many, became extinct in 2006 due to human activity. Scientists are optimistic about reviving this species because its extinction occurred so recently, meaning that DNA samples are readily available. However, even if they succeed in bringing it back, the dolphin's original habitat in China's Yangtze River may no longer be suitable due to severe pollution. 5. The woolly rhinoceros. Like the woolly mammoth, the woolly rhinoceros once roamed the Arctic. This furry animal lived about 10,000 years ago and frequently appears in ancient cave paintings in France. The Arctic permafrost has preserved many specimens, and scientists believe that bringing the woolly rhinoceros back is as feasible as resurrecting the mammoth. 4. The Neanderthal. One of the most controversial resurrection projects involves the Neanderthal. This potential revival has sparked intense debate, particularly over the ethical implications. Neanderthals are considered a subspecies of modern humans, and cloning them would require a human surrogate. While cloning Neanderthals could offer fascinating insights, many question whether it's ethically justifiable. 3. The woolly mammoth. While most woolly mammoths died out about 10,000 years ago, a small population of 500 to 1,000 continued to live on Wrangel Island until about 4,000 years ago. This creature, about the size of an African elephant, had a shoulder height of 11 feet and weighed around 6 tons. With its thick fur and small fluffy ears, it was well adapted to harsh climates. Many preserved specimens found frozen in the Arctic have provided enough DNA for scientists to create a hybrid embryo, combining a woolly mammoth and an elephant, which they've already nicknamed the mammophant. 2. The ground sloth. This gigantic creature, which might be mistaken for a bear, is actually a ground sloth. Scientists are eager to bring it back since it walked the Earth as recently as 8,000 years ago. some DNA samples have already been obtained from well-preserved cells. However, finding a suitable surrogate mother for the clone baby is challenging, as the ground sloth's nearest modern relative is too small to carry an animal the size of a bear. Scientists are now considering the use of an artificial womb. 30 years after its discovery, the dodo bird became extinct. Its only known habitat was the island of Mauritius, where it had lived peacefully until the 1590s. Having never encountered humans before, the dodo showed no fear, making it easy for people to capture and kill. Standing over 3 feet tall and weighing about 39 pounds, the dodo may soon return to life, as scientists just need a few DNA samples to implant into its closest living relative, the pigeon.
Enjoyed the video! Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content!